Now we're going to do a Dollar Tree wreath. We're using this mesh that I got from the Dollar Tree. It's 6-inch mesh. I also have my diamond art that I did for the middle. And I have these 4 ribbons that I got at the Dollar Tree that I'm going to use to make a bow. I'm going to cut my pipe cleaners in thirds. And on this wreath, we're going to do what I call the butterfly flower. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take one of our mesh. We're going to cut each section of my wreath frame is going to have 9 butterfly flowers. So I'm cutting it in 12-inch sections. And for 9 for each section of my wreath. Now I'm going to make my butterfly flower. I'm overlapping the mesh by about 1 inch, then pressing it down and pinching it together in the middle from one side to the other. Then I'm taking one of my pipe cleaners, putting it in the middle, pushing everything up and twisting the bottom of my pipe cleaner. Then once we get 9 of them made, we will be attaching them to my wreath frame on the second and third rung of my wreath, alternating. And there I have 3 sections done. And now I got the rest of it done, and I put my diamond art in the middle and attached it with wire. And now I'm going to make my bow. I did forget to record me cutting my ribbon. I cut 2 24-inch ribbon, and then the rest of the ribbon I did a shorter one, and I folded them in half. So now I'm going to take and alternate the colors of my ribbon and pinch them about 5 inches down. So there will be a tail at the bottom and a loop at the top. Then I'm going to tie it with a pipe cleaner in the middle, tie it tight and secure. And once I have it secure, I'm going to start feathering the tails out at the bottom. I'm not so worried about the short ones as I am the long ones, just kind of spreading them out. And once I have shaped the bottom of my bow, then I will start with the loops at the top and fluffing them out and shaping bows at the top until I have it how I want it. And then with the two tails of the wire tie, the pipe cleaner that I used, I'm going to secure it to the wreath and put my bow at the top of my wreath. And secure it with the pipe cleaner to the wreath frame. And then finish shaping it like so. And there you have it, a beautiful Dollar Tree wreath.